No,
Hmm?
no. I actually thought I would have come out of it with a wider margin,
Okay.
just based, I mean, it's not ego, just based on the work we put in
Yes.
and based on the reception we got on the
Mm-hmm.
ground. The campaign was short. It wasn't the traditional years and years of working in the field. So we had a short space of time to really build momentum, get my candidacy out there,
Mm-hmm.
and to also tell the people why me.
Mm.
And we did that as a sprint, but we didn't have the traditional time that you would need to get out and enumerate people. So the enumeration is the time. You have different phases
Mm-hmm.
over the years that you can get people on the voters list, or
Right.
encourage people who you think will support you to get on the voters list. So I came in just using what existed, and not much political work had gone into my political organization in the constituency for quite some time.
Mm-hmm.
So I was using a list that was already small versus an opponent who had been growing and growing and growing their list, So my duty was to re-energize and reinvigorate the PNP base,
Mm-hmm.
get those who had stayed away from the polls to come back, and to try to take some of those that they had enumerated and convince them to come my way. So I felt we were getting that. We had a lot of them, a lot of supporters of the JLP who came over and supported us. I felt we had the base coming back. So I wasn't so unsure that we would win. I thought we would have won better, but election night, the disappointment for me and the heartbreak, it was so bittersweet because I wanted us to win overall, get government and go out there and do some of the work
Yeah.
that I know we could do.